of people have been asking us questions about our Find Nature's Heroes journey. Hey, why do you keep appearing places? I'm trying to get ready to go. Well, today we're going to answer some of those questions and tell you the difference between our Finding Nature's Heroes vlog versus doc. Enjoy.
First, let's talk about the difference between a vlog versus a documentary. A vlog is a personal website or social media account where a person regularly posts short videos. A documentary is a film, television, or a radio program that provides a factual record or report. Our documentary, Finding Nature's Heroes, is about a family of 4 leaving our home in Los Angeles and going deep into the jungles of Central and South America to bring focus to some of nature's heroes, the indigenous people who work hard to save Earth's wildlands from going extinct. But are we the subjects of our documentary? No. The subjects are nature's heroes, the people who give their time, money, effort, and love into protecting, diversifying, propagating, and rewilding our planet. Now, our vlog is about us. Our family. It is a behind-the-scenes picture of our daily lives. And the making of our documentary. We also give tips and advice that can help you become a hero of nature. To help us help nature, hit that subscribe button. And for further support, join us at Patreon. Links will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.